in this project, we have developed a demonstrator that has a robotic manipulator, a polishing system, and a microscope. This system can be teleoperated by a given amount of distance so that the person can be isolated from the dangers of any of that equipment. And the idea of this project is to be able to grind and polish nuclear samples and be able to take a look at what happened to the sample when it was exposed to nuclear radiation and so on. So in existing systems, you would either do the process manually, exposing people to the dangers of having a grinding and polisher or the difficulties of operating the system through a Glovebox and so on. And what we're trying to do is that we're trying to automate the process so that the person no longer has to be exposed to that. The main selling point that we're trying to work on is the capability of the system to autonomously identify if the sample has been polished and if it's ready to go to the next stage. It seems to be one of the fundamental projects to make RACO go forward. So it's something that could highly impact the time it takes to prepare samples, the exposure that operators could have to the dangers inside the Glovebox, and it could lead to faster decommissioning, safer decommissioning, and cheaper decommissioning efforts, for example. And we hope that when the system becomes fully autonomous, and it could be something that takes many years to achieve, we can have a considerable impact in the decommissioning industry.